This is the spice room. It's very, very important that we make the same ham, the same sausage, the same hot dogs, the same kielbasi flavor from batch to batch. And the only way to do that is to hand weigh spices and ingredients. And we've been doing that for 85 years plus, and we're going to continue to do that. We never buy any pre-mixed spices. We make them all ourselves, and it's all family recipes left down from my grandfather. One of the people that do that is Vince here. How long have you been doing this, Vince?
45 years.
45 years. So there's a lot of knowledge in Vince here that we're going to have to. He can't retire. He's not allowed to retire. So Vince has got the scale, and he'll take a bag and measure off ingredients depending on what we're making. So as you can see, Vinny is measuring spices. He'll do that for each batch, and depending on the size of the batch, sometimes the bags are going to be very large. And as you can see in the spice room, he has everything batched. That's tomorrow's production ready to go. This is all seasonings, salts, sugars, ingredients for tomorrow's production. Everyone is bagged and labeled so that there's never a mistake. So we're making the same product day in and day out, week after week. And like I said, it's still my grandfather's old spice formulas.